Hi guys, now we are going to unbox Migros budget. This is milk chocolate, coconut outlet, and this is a chocolate with white milk inside. You can see the picture make here, and this is 100 grams from Migros, and I think you can see the ingredients in the pack. So you can take a look whether you have allergy or something like food restrictions. So you can take a look at the ingredients. So we're going to open it. The chocolate is already broke. Accidentally I broke it, and we can take a look, hearing, and yes, and then yeah, you can take one. The taste is good, and you can see there is milk inside. This is temperature sensitive. It will be melt in your hand. The taste is really good, and this is really worth to buy. It's very good, very recommended. The price is maybe 1.20 Swiss franc, I think, or 1.3, I forgot. Yes, so very recommended if you are going to buy this in Switzerland and you want to take this to your country, to your friends, then this is also tips. Guys, I hope this review is you get a benefit from this review. You got yeah, something like this to so you got about 1 2 3 4 5 15 of part. This is so melty, even in the winter it will melt in your hand. So okay guys, thank you very much. See you later. Bye.